okay?
Spider cat, does whatever spider cat does. Climb a screen, not the door, don't fall off. Oh no! Ah!
Where's it at?
They're just hanging out with it.
Is it alive?
Come here. What are you guys doing? You're supposed to get it.
See, Blue would do the same thing. I bet you they're just fucking it up and not killing it. Do you think we could open the front door and get it out with that broom?
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
Get it. Puss in Boots.
baby shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
Cooter, you're like lightning in a bottle.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Oh.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my eggs back.
Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore?
And you were my baby. It started when we were younger. You were my boo.
Sleep with the cat.
All right, Jimmy, I'm gonna get you this time. 1, 2, 3. Fuck you.
Leopard ones. Which ones? Oh, the green ones? Okay. Can we put your green ones on? Awesome. Nice. All right, say hi to everybody.
She hates it.
Hey, watch I make it. Watch I make it. 1, 2, ha! Oh! I'm all right. Man, somebody wasted some food on the floor. Hey, what you looking at, bro? What's up? You feeling froggy? Then jump in. Come on if you want to do something. Come on. Don't act scared. Ha ha, this is my house. Let me go around there and see who's in the kitchen. Who in my kitchen? You better have some food ready for me in my kitchen. There better be some food ready because this is my house.
No, we ain't giving no hold. I ain't Romeo and now hold. Making a party, chocolate.
Toad can come over here, you crazy.
I know something you don't. I know something you will never know.
Listen to me now.
This is the funniest shit I've ever seen.
Ayo.
You gotta lay it down.
You're a jerk. You're ruining my plan.
But you're just a pretty princess. Come here.
You want to mess this shit up? You gonna clean it up. Every last bit of it. You gonna clean it up, Kimpy. You gonna come in here and mess up?
No! What are you doing? Beans! What are you doing? Oh my god! You can't do this! Beans! Idiot! I'll let you in now, God!
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
Run.
You ready? On my count. 1, 2. This is awkward. We clearly didn't think this one through. Can you get off me now? Oh, sorry. Let me just move that. Hold on. Maybe you could just... Yeah, I'm not into you like that. This is clearly a misunderstanding. Water is good for you. Now drink, my child. No. Keep drinking. Hey, focus here. The bed is super comfy. I promise you. Oh, fluff. Okay, never mind. Play with me? Whee! Oh, wait. No. You're not living until you play.
Sitting on my standby, in on my stand, bitches sitting on my standby, in on my stand, bitches sitting on my stand, in the bag, in the bag.
That is so. That is so about the massage. That is so.
Oh god, it's in...
Oh my.
HBRB.
Whack.
Huh.
Hi.